So we're here to spend one day at Petrified Forest. We're gonna go through, do all the overlooks. We're gonna do a couple of trails and see some very old wood. So join us along for this video. This is now our second overlook of the Painted Desert. Every single one of these chandeliers was handmade, and they're all uniquely different from one another in each room. And each one of these tiles are hand painted as well. It's a jukebox.
It's big.
So we're finishing up this building right here. It's over 100 years old. Super cool. Definitely worth coming out and seeing when you're in the Petrified Forest. It's really interesting because this rock right here looks very similar to all the lava rock that we were just traveling in Sunset Crater Volcanic National Monument. It's really interesting because as you travel through the desert, there's actually several different sections of the desert. They all look very different, and this is no exception. The Painted Desert, really pretty with the pink hues and everything. It's just another day here in Arizona. Another beautiful overlook here in the Painted Desert.
You buckles? Airbags. Route 66.
That's right. So this section right here is dedicated to the Mother Road of America, Route 66, and now the interstate is over that way, but you could see it's all obviously grown up now, but the road used to go right through this national park a long time ago. It's cool too because there used to be a business here that actually had a zoo with lions in it. It's pretty cool. Girls, what do you think of that Route 66 part?
I liked it. I loved it. It was cool. Me and I because we could ride the car.
Yeah, it's really became a fascination of yours after watching Josh's video from Through My Lens. Him and Pops going Route 66. It's ignited fascination and apparently bats. There it is, Newspaper Rock. It's way down there, but you definitely see it. Kind of hard to tell in this video, but. So that was Newspaper Rock. The only thing I would suggest when you go there is definitely have a zoom lens. You can look through the viewfinders to see the petroglyphs, but if you want a picture of it or anything like that, you're not really going to be able to tell unless you have a zoom lens. It's far away, but we got our first view right here of the teepees. We'll be driving right by those. They're absolutely beautiful rock formations with amazing layers of rock. Some more of them back over this way too.
Oh, babies, there's a lot of cliffs.